In this video, we'll talk more about the role of dopamine and nicotine in smoking and quitting. Dopamine is a chemical released in the brain when we do something that brings feelings of pleasure or reward. When you smoke, the nicotine in a cigarette stimulates the release of dopamine in as little as 10 seconds and for the first hour after smoking. As your body gets used to this artificial boost of dopamine, it becomes harder to feel good without nicotine. This can lead to needing more and more cigarettes just to feel normal. Nicotine has a half-life of about 2 hours, meaning half of it leaves your body in 2 hours. Because of this, many people find themselves smoking throughout the day to avoid withdrawal. Over time, a regular smoker can develop tolerance to nicotine. As a result, you need more nicotine than before to feel the same effect. Eventually, repeated doses of nicotine produce weaker effects, and you find yourself smoking more often just to feel normal. This addictive cycle is often why people continue smoking, sometimes one cigarette right after another, even when they know the risks and want to stop. But dopamine can also be released through other, healthier activities, like eating good food, spending time with loved ones, exercising, being in the sun, doing something creative, or getting quality sleep. Participating in cultural practices, like dancing, drumming, or being part of a sweat lodge or talking circle, can also release dopamine but also provide emotional and spiritual well-being. These natural sources of dopamine not only feel good, but they support overall wellness and restore balance in the body and spirit. Dopamine release is also influenced by stress and genetics. Stress affects the prefrontal cortex, a part of the brain involved in reward and decision-making. That's why stress increases the urge to smoke. It pushes the brain to seek out quick dopamine boosts, even if they come from harmful sources like nicotine. Some people naturally produce more dopamine, while others may have a harder time releasing it without help from outside substances. If your brain already releases high levels of dopamine, smoking can cause an even stronger reaction. But over time, smoking changes the way your brain works. This pattern of tolerance and dependence can make quitting harder. But it's important to know that healing is possible. Many Native American cultures view health as a balance between mind, body, and spirit. Quitting commercial tobacco is a step toward restoring that balance. Reconnecting with natural sources of joy, like time outdoors, movement, or cultural activities, can support the healing process and help your brain relearn how to feel good in healthy ways.